spot.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm JD.
And this is One Text Junk.
Okay, go to the computer.
Go yourself!
Okay.
So that intro is pretty cheesy, right? Well, building a PC. With the kid, no less. It'll be his first desktop PC. Sure, he's had like little edutainment gadgets and whatnot, but this is like the real deal, building a PC. So I was thinking, what do I go with? Do I just pick up a RTX 2060, an Intel 8700K, and some Fly RBG RAM? It just seemed a little boring and normal, so I thought, how can we make this interesting? Well, a buddy of mine gifted me an old Xeon processor, so how about we make a retro sleeper? A PC that, while may appear new, with maybe some LED lighting and a sleek case, is actually just a beefy retro game rig. Why not add a pair of Generation Xeon processors and a server workstation motherboard? 4 gigabytes of RAM, a GeForce FX 5200, yeah baby. It'll smash through games from the late 90s and early 2000s, but it probably won't play Fortnite. This Frankenstein monster of a build is only the beginning of a great adventure. Ah, more cheese, lay it on and melt it. Enjoy. Trying a little bit of troubleshooting. At this point, I hadn't figured out that it was actually a RAM issue. We were trying some other things, and I actually did have new RAM on order at this point, ECC registered RAM, just in case that was the issue. But while we're waiting, we decided to do another video to try something else out. Ended up not working, but it's quick and short. Please enjoy.
All right, need to do the honors. Turn on the power supply.